from the car. Say hi. In your bra. What a peaceful setting, hey Boosh. Beauty.
Babe, bag sunglasses.
What? So I've got, hang on, the bag's a rest at the moment for my my camera. I'm filming my skills as a rower. You can't actually see me now, though, because the sun's behind me. Theo! Theo! Stupid dog. Right, glasses.
No, John, because they're animals. John, watch Theo. Theo, sit.
Theo! Theo! Got my beer holder, keeping it nice and cold.
Yeah, my idea.
Sarah's idea, obviously. She's full of cracking ideas.
When it comes to beer. If I lose my glasses, I'm screwed.
It's nice, isn't it? All we need now is a fucking engine. We were Theodore, where are you off to?
We have a dog. No, we need an ashtray. Take my almonds out and use that plastic box.
Poo bag. No, let me put my phone down and drop it.
You start doing your...
Right, we are going up to the Pike and Eel. And we're going to sit out the front there and drink our beer. And wave at everybody. What's that on the back of my
I'm
neck?
going to go in there and get just Theodore's whisker.
Oh, it was a fly.
No, it was whisker. No, I need to go into the pub, get a drink and go for a wee.
Go to the pub and get a drink.
And go for a wee.
Wow.
I need a wee, so I need
See you
a
there.
drink.